Welcome to day 12 of Beginner Yoga Challenge. Today we will be practicing only standing poses. This is another yoga practice that you can do even without a yoga mat. We will begin standing with feet around hip distance apart, shoulders relaxed down away from the ears, the crown of the head lengthening up towards the ceiling. Breathe deeply in and out through your nose, expanding the chest and belly as you inhale, drawing the navel in as you exhale. With your next inhale, reach your arms up, lifting your chest for back bend. Exhale, bend forward, standing forward bend. Knees can stay slightly bent. Inhale, halfway up, half forward bend. Flat back, shoulders stay away from the ears. Big inhale here. Exhale, full forward bend, release the upper body. With inhale, come up to standing, lifting your chest, back bend. Exhale, release your arms to the sides. Two more like this. Inhale, lifting the chest, standing back bend. Exhale, bend forward, knees can stay bent. Inhale, halfway up, long spine. Exhale, full forward bend. Inhale all the way to standing, lift your chest. Exhale, circle the arms down. And last time, inhale, back bend. Exhale, full forward bend. Inhale, halfway up. Exhale, forward bend. Inhale, up to standing, lift your chest. Exhale, release your arms. Place your feet wider, parallel to each other. Hands on your hips. Inhale, lift your chest, creating space in your spine. Exhale, bend forward from the hips, leading forward with your chest. Hug the opposite elbows with your hands, adding weight to the upper body. And then gently sway side to side, relaxing the lower back, letting the tension go from the upper body, while keeping your legs strong, feeling the stretch on the back of the legs. With your next inhale, slowly come up to standing. Turn your right foot out so that the toes are facing forward. Bend your right knee over the ankle. See if you need to widen the space between your feet. Keep the heels in one line. Straighten your arms parallel to the ground for Warrior 2. Make sure your front knee is facing forward. It has a tendency to fall inwards. Gaze over your front hand. This is a great strengthening pose, but you also might feel some stretch on your groin, on your inner thighs in this position. Flip your front palm to face up, lean slightly forward, inhale, and reach your right arm back, coming into reverse warrior. One inhale here, big stretch on the right side of the torso. With exhale, place your right forearm to your front thigh, extending your left arm in line with your ear. Keep pressing through the outer edge of your back foot, reaching up through your left fingertips, stretching the left side of the body. Inhale to come up to center. Place your back foot a little bit closer for triangle pose. Extend your arms. With inhale, lean forward to your front leg. Reach forward as much as you can. Then lower your hand to the shin while extending your upper arm up to the sky. Try to look up to your upper hand, keeping your upper body open. A lot of space across your chest and collarbones. With your next inhale, come up to center. And we will repeat the same sequence on the other side. So turn your right foot slightly in while turning your left toes to face the short edge of the mat. Adjust your feet so you can bend your left knee over the ankle. The knee is facing forward over the toes. Extend your arms to the sides, keeping your shoulders relaxed down from your ears. Gaze over your front hand. Staying strong in warrior pose. Your lower body stays as it is. Just flip your palm up towards the ceiling. Lean forward. Inhale. And reach your arm back, coming into reverse warrior. Stretching the left side of the torso. One big inhale here. Exhale, left forearm to the side. Right arm stretches up over your ear. Press down through your back foot, lengthening the right side of the body. Side angle pose. With your next inhale, come up. Adjust your back foot a little closer if you need. Extend your arms. Lean forward. And drop your hand down to your shin, extending the other arm up. Deep breaths in triangle position. Looking up, forward or down. You can use a yoga block underneath your bottom hand to make the position less intense. With inhale, come up. Now keep your feet wide, turn your heels in and your toes out. Bend your knees, sitting into goddess pose. Push your knees slightly back while pushing your hips forward so that you feel a good engagement in your thighs. Try to bring your knees over your ankles. Place your hands together in front of your heart and breathe here, trying to sit a little deeper with each exhale. This is probably the hardest pose in today's practice. Don't worry, we are not staying here for too long. Just one more inhale. Exhale, bend your knees a little bit more. And straighten your legs. Turn your toes in, placing your feet parallel. This time, interlace your fingers behind your back. Big inhale to lift your chest and pull your hands away from the body. Exhale, bend forward. Still pulling your hands away from the back. If your shoulders feel tight for this variation, keep your hands on the mat or on your ankles. Shift your weight more into the balls of your feet. Feel the stretch on the back of the legs. Remember your breath. Slow and stable. With your next inhale, slowly come up to standing. Bring your feet closer. Shift your weight into your right foot and place your left foot either close to your ankle, underneath your knee or above your knee for tree pose. Find your balance and reach your arms up over the head. Find something in front of you that you can concentrate on. If you fall out of the pose at any point, just try again. One last breath here. And then slowly place your left foot down. Ground down through your left foot and place your right foot somewhere along the ankle, underneath or above the knee. Choose the variation that works for you. Reach your arms up and breathe here. One last inhale here. And exhale to release. We will finish in standing Shavasana today. Position your feet a little wider than the hips. Roll your shoulders back and down, opening your palms to the front. You can keep your eyes open or close them if you feel comfortable here. See if you can find a moment of ease and lightness in this position. Grounding down through your feet, feeling the support underneath your feet. Noticing how the breath moves in and out of your body. Creating space with each inhalation. And allowing the tension go away with exhalation. And when you are ready, slowly open your eyes. Thank you so much for practicing with me. See you next time.